to fix Facebook page is not available right now. If you are saying this page is not available right now, then here is a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot it. First of all, update the Facebook app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Then tap on the search address bar at the bottom right and type down Facebook and hit enter. Now tap on the Facebook, and here if you see the update option available, then update it to the latest version. Outdated version often causes bugs or access issues. Now go back to the home screen and tap on the Settings app. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Then again scroll down, tap on the iPhone storage. Then from the list of the apps, again scroll and tap on the Facebook. Now all you have to do is tap on the Upload app and upload it and reinstall to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.